Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert. Today I'm going to show you how to replace an old PDF document with a new one on Google Docs. First, I'll go to drive.google.com and I'll identify the PDF I want to replace. Here it is, Programming 101. I'm going to right-click on that and select Manage Revisions. Notice here that I can upload a new revision. Click on that, select the new copy, and click Open. This will begin the upload process. You'll notice that there is a checkbox for Do Not Auto-Delete. This means as you upload new revisions, the old ones will not be deleted. Let's leave that selected for right now, because it would be good to be able to go back to those old copies. Now that the upload has completed, we'll see the new copy here and the two previous revisions below. So now, if I click Close, I see the current time, so I know the new copy is there. My name is Bree Clark, I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to upload a new PDF to replace an old one on Google Docs.